Hi, in this demonstration I'm going to show you how you can join two columns together to import in one field using Zed Axis. So in what situation would you need to join two columns into one? You need to import the full customer job name into QuickBooks, but the customer and the job are in separate columns. They need to be combined and separated by a colon. So I'm going to show you how you can create a function within Zed Axis to join two columns together, and that would be a concatenate function. In this example, I'm importing an invoice, and you'll see there are two columns here that I want to combine together. The first one being the name column, and then I want to combine that with the job, and that would align to the customer job field in QuickBooks. So first off, we're going to create a mapping, and we'll select this transaction type as invoice, and I'm going to create a function for this customer reference full name field. So select add new function. The function type I'm going to select is concatenate function, and I'll give the function a name. Now next we actually have to put in the expression here that instructs Zed Axis which columns to combine together. Now for the customer job name in QuickBooks, the customer and the job need to be separated by a colon. So the syntax for this expression I will now explain. So to start off the designation to say the first column that we want to combine, we use a open curly brackets. Then we put in the name of the column, so that is labeled as name in the spreadsheet, and then we're going to close the brackets. Next we use the ampersand, which is the symbol to join. So we're going to join that field. Now we're going to insert in the middle of between the name and the job, we're going to insert a column. Now we can do that with a colon symbol, which is separated by parentheses. So it's open speech marks, colon, and we're going to close the parentheses. So what that will do is insert the colon between the two fields. Then we use another ampersand, which is symbol to join, and we're going to use the name of the last column. So that's open curly brackets, type in the name of the column, which is going to be job, and close the parenthesis. And if we tab through, we should then get a preview of what that would look like. And that's taking the first row of data in the data file and using that as a sample or preview for what that will appear as. So when we're ready, we just click OK, and that function is then saved. Now we can go through and then complete the mapping, and we give the mapping a name. So now you'll see once this mapping has been applied, the customer reference full name has combined the customer name and the job name separated by a colon. So that's showing as the reference, the full name of the customer job, exactly how QuickBooks requires that to go in. So this mapping, once it's saved, it will also save the function that joins the two columns together, so you can reuse that on subsequent imports. So that's simply how you use a concatenate or join function in Zed Axis to combine two columns together and import as one field within QuickBooks.